So hi guys, welcome back. Today I would like to show you some of my favorite drills when I first started learning handstands. Okay, I like to use a wall a lot because it is a very good feedback. I also like to incorporate a dining chair. Okay, you will see why I like to use these two props. Okay, so make sure that you do not have any shoulders injuries, nor elbow nor wrists. Okay, so you should consult your physio first or your doctor if you have any pain in your upper bodies before you start this exercise. I forgot to mention another benefit of having a wall when you worked is sometimes it's a lot. It has to do with your fear factor. So you feel like you have something behind you, so you will build back your confidence. Okay. Before you start, make sure you warm up your wrists. You can check out my another clip that I have drills for wrists warm-ups, and also warm up your shoulders. You can do shoulders circles, shoulders rotation, do arm swing, and maybe do a little bit of a short aerobic exercise to get the heat up in your body. Then from there, to start your first drill, I put my chair maybe about one arm length from the wall. Okay, I like to use my sugar mat because the sticky version, so it's not too soft. Okay, you want it to make sure that you practice your handstand on a solid floor. Okay, so I like wooden floor or marble floor. It's perfect. I just put a thin mat on just to make sure that I don't get sweaty palms. Okay, from there, I bring my knees up on top of the chairs and I bring my hands almost attached to the wall, maybe perhaps 2 inches or 3 inches away from the wall. Have your hands shoulder width apart, external rotation of your shoulder joint, spread your fingertips wide and grab the floor with your fingertips. Think about rounding your upper back. Think about elevating your shoulders all the way up towards the ears. Have your eyelines in between your thumbs. From there, tuck your toes under on a chair. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, draw your lower abs in, starting to straighten your knees, and then send the hips into the wall, and then lower back down. So that might be too far away, so it might be too challenging for you. Move your fingertips slightly closer to the wall. And we go again. Exhale, I engage my pelvic floor, my TA, deep abdominal muscles. Keep your shoulders on top of the wrist. And then send your sacrum or your tailbone towards the wall. So you see here, I have back of my head touch the wall. I have my lower back of my sacrum rather touching the wall. I stay here and continue to push the floor away. Let the shoulders come up towards the ears. I hold here for 1 breath and I come back down. I like to repeat this 10 times. Okay, each set I do 10 times and then I rest in between set. Inhale down. Exhale. Inhale down. Again, one more time. And then come all the way down. So repeat maybe a few more times. Okay, you should feel like you are drawing your ribs in. Think about hollow your tummy, closing your rib cage in and down, like you want to hide your chest inside your rib cage cavity. Okay, so that would be your first drill. Rest a little bit in between sets. You can repeat 2 to 3 more sets. Once you feel confident, we can try to bring one leg off the chair. Okay, so we come back to the same start position. Fingertips pretty close to the wall. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, shift your shoulders right above your wrists. Straighten your knees, bring your hips against the wall. Continue to push the floor away from the chest. Let's bring one leg up. Touch the wall. Hold here. Come back down. The other side, reconnect the abs. Really keep knitting the ribs to the hips. I think about pointing my toes like the string attached from the ceiling. Pull my toes up. Bring my leg down, relax. Again, you can repeat this 8 to 10 reps, rest, and then do 2 or 3 more sets. Okay, so the key here is you want to think about constantly pushing the floor away from the chest, constantly hiding my rib cage, constantly let the shoulders come all the way up towards the ears, constantly thinking about spiral your armpits toward each other, constantly thinking about drawing the muscles from the base of your hands all the way up, constantly thinking about use your fingertips to help grabbing the floor, constantly grow tall, the hands pushing away, the toes reaching away. And also think about squeezing inner thighs. Visualize you're holding a ball in the inner side of your inner thighs and you squeeze the ball toward each other. And when you feel that you have enough confidence, it could be in the next few sessions, doesn't have to be in this session, you can try to bring both legs up towards the ceiling. Okay, so bring your hands down again on the floor. Same start position. Breathe, deep breath in. Shallow breathe out, connect to your roll abs, your pelvic floor. Bring one leg up. And then, if it's not confidence yet, you can bring it down. Change to the other side. And then come all the way down. So, once you gain confidence, you can try, turn around, do the other side, okay? But I think, so you can repeat that drill 2 to 3 more sets, okay? Take your time to rest in between each set. And I think these 2 drills can be done almost every single day. This not only going to help build up the strength in your upper body, but also getting rid of the fear of going upside down, okay? So I hope you enjoy the clip and some tips, and if you have any feedback, I would love to hear from you. Thank you. See you again soon.